Hey guys, got a 2018 Honda Accord. It makes weird brake noises. As far as just the brake pedal has a little bit of a click to it. I'll stop a couple times here and hopefully the camera will pick it up, but it's a 2018 Honda Accord. Maybe if somebody, a dealer or somebody out there, or anybody that has one, the way I'm going to post the video, it'll have the name 18 Honda Accord brake sound. So obviously, if anybody knows what this noise is, or if it's just normal, I would like to know if it's normal or if it's actually something wrong. But anyway, I'll go ahead and hit the brake now. Hopefully you heard that click. I'll do it again. It pretty much does it every single time, even when you're just slowing down, and you slow down quite a bit. You can hear it do that little pop there. It's kind of annoying, but it doesn't bother me as bad if it's normal. If it's not normal, then yeah, absolutely. So hopefully you guys can hear that. Anybody that knows what it is, again, just definitely let me know, because I'd like to know. I'll do it one more time here. Hopefully you can hear that. Bound to be able to hear that, I'd say. There you go. It's pretty loud, so I don't want to take it all the way down to the dealership and have them look at it if there's nothing wrong with it. But one last time. I lied. One more time. Let me know.